Okay, y'all, it's been the longest day ever for me, but y'all know I send my prayers off the camera, but we got to go ahead and get it in. I'm gonna let y'all know I got my salad. Listen, when I get older, I want to be like Chick-fil-A, okay? There's not a time that I go there that the cars are not wrapped around the belly. I mean, oh my God, like people eat Chick-fil-A all day and all night. It's unbelievable. So I went up there to get me a salad because I like their Cobb salad, but I don't need the meat in it because I got me a New York strip steak. And y'all know I like the golden Yukon potatoes. So what I did is I put them in the microwave, let them get perfectly done. Put my cheese and my pepper, a little salt, bacon, sour cream, chopped. Y'all know, did my thing. So basically, we got steak, baked potato, and salad. So I'm about to let y'all see it all. So I put some of them crushed. They got the cherries, tomatoes, and red peppers. That little mix they give at Chick-fil-A. I love it. And there we go. So, how was y'all day? So actually today I've been trying to figure out how I'm going to master my next project. I got some Hidden Valley Ranch for all the Hidden Valley fans. Hope that turns out good for me. I do got some A1. I'm a Hans 57 girl, but tonight I just kind of had a taste for some good old A1. And that is the end of that one. I'll show you how much I don't eat it. We probably been in that bottle for a minute. So, y'all, I just want to say, how's e-learning going in y'all household? Have y'all sent y'all kids back to school? I ain't heard too many people talking about it. So, if y'all are able, did you guys send your kids back to school? Do you wish you will? I mean, what does it come down to? Because I have 3 e-learners, all different grades. Kindergarten, 4th grade, and 6th grade. Unbelievable. Y'all know I love my onions. That's all they missing in the salad. So I'm a medium well person. Almost just medium. See how well I did this. I can't get it down if it's too done. Look like I cooked it. Done on this side. So maybe it'd be my medium well in the middle. And I let it rest, y'all. Just a little pink in there. But, baby, you talking about melting your mouth. When you don't overcook your steak, you can really enjoy it. I did some basic seasoning. Salt, pepper, garlic, and some red crushed pepper flakes. That's it. I didn't even put my lemon juice in here. I sizzle it in a little EVOO. And that's it. And it is the bomb. Let's get some of that. I could trim the fat off of it when I cooked it. But I feel like cooking it gives it such a good flavor. Cooking it with it on there. And then just trimming it off. and not eating it. Yeah, so today I'm going to talk about trust. I'm one of those people that's being considered pretty trustworthy all my life. I didn't take nothing from nobody. But one thing I really don't like to do is take advantage of nobody. And that I'm not going to do. So when it comes to relationships, I tend to still have trust issues. You know, like I just don't easily trust the situation. I see it for exactly for what it is. Yeah. People can't be going through things on the inside that we don't know nothing about. That's true. And yes, we should forgive for human mistakes. And we should move on. We shouldn't go to bed angry at each other. Yeah, that's the way I like it right there. Good and pink. But there still is you a woman. Well, you just a good reader. Or you just kind of got the spirit of discernment. It's gonna be hard. Savannah was asleep, looked like she didn't woke up. I want to taste this with my Heinz 57. No, she ain't gonna say nothing, y'all. Let's taste my potato. Y'all bite of that. Mm-hmm. It don't take long to whip no meal up, y'all. This took me less than 20 minutes. It probably took me longer to go over to Chick-fil-A than anything. I always tend to end up living by Chick-fil-A. I always say that's a good thing. Because Chick-fil-A strategically place their restaurants in neighborhoods they're going to thrive in. Like, they got a whole marketing. Dawson, Karan, can you take her out? Can you give me my Heinz 57 too? And they be doing their thing, y'all. Heinz 57. And so, I want to be like them when I get older. It's what, like, it was after 8 o'clock. At least 50 cars in line. All the restaurants and businesses around it, they be like, please don't block the driveway. Thank you, son. We almost out of that too. Y'all must have been enjoying my little stuff. And y'all know I done got full. Can you give him his stuff, please, and mind your business? Thank you.
Don't sometimes.
Why you? I mean, put it back. Like I said, y'all didn't trim the fat. I think it just helped it be so tender. Oh. Like my 1-year-old could eat this steak with me. So yeah. Trust issue is not a good feeling. Especially if both parties really underline don't trust each other. Now, if I give you a reason to not trust me, like be unfaithful, not being honest, those type of things, then yeah. I gave you the right to not trust me. So I can't be mad at you for not trusting me. But if I don't give you the reason, then I think there's some stuff going on that side where they could be trying to make you feel guilty, maybe. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna figure that out. But I have a friend of mine. She's kind of going through some stuff right now in her relationship, and they are like the bomb couple. They get along so well. I don't know if I should say they're a couple because she's going to say they're not. But I know that's where her heart is. I'm not sure about his side of it because I know her and I only know him through her, so I don't know that well. But they just, I mean, I know she hasn't trusted him since he cheated and got somebody else pregnant, but I feel like they literally just woke up one day and said, I don't know who you are, I don't trust you, and we're not gonna make it. And it's so unfortunate because we all outside are rooting for them, but what counts is are you comfortable in your home with this person? Because people do change. They do. What they want changes. Their outlook on life changes. And you don't have to deal with it. She gets so offended because he said, I don't trust you, but she like, I ain't been with nobody since the day I met you. You don't have a reason not to trust me. He's like, you said you forgave me, so why don't you trust me? It's like a lose-lose. And y'all, when I say they are a bomb couple, something I put on this steak was spicy for me. Like red crushed pepper or something. But yeah, they are the bomb. They look good together. They complement each other. Their personalities are bomb together. Everything seems so respectful between the two of them. He's not belligerent. He don't call her name. He literally is so peaceful. You wouldn't think they have any just men mature so much slower than women. And I think is that a lot of choices he make is just irresponsible. It's just like, dude, are you grown or are you a kid? And I think that's where the disconnection started happening. So it's almost like he was like her little brother. Somebody she's looking after, you know, because that's just how things are. They're so cool around each other. But then it's like, you go out, blow your whole check. don't pay the bills, whatever. But it's all good. To me, he hasn't did nothing that couldn't be forgiven. Like forgiven in like 5 seconds. It's just a matter of him humbling himself and just apologizing, just being straight up, being open, standing in her face, you know, being honest. Men don't talk enough, and then when they open their mouth, it's some arrogant, weird, where did that come from statement, and it could just cause an argument. So you gotta be really patient when communicating if you really care about that person. If you don't, then you just gonna say all kind of raggedy stuff to them. And I mean, people have times where y'all don't look at my nail. People have times where they slip up and say something crazy or hurtful out of anger. Sorry, y'all. I don't think. I don't think. I think the love could be gone. If he's calling you B words, dogging out your kids, dogging out your mama, tearing up your house, baby, let me tell you something. That ain't happening. It's over. It's gonna be, most likely with me, it's gonna be a way for it to even get to that point. I'm already see that in you. Like I said, a lot of things people miss the red flags. You see it in them way before they do it. And so you forcing something. Maybe you like the toxicness in him. I don't. I love me a sincere, loving, kind, low manner, mild manner. Is that what they call mild manner? Meek, settled person. Like, I love it. Like, if you're not cool and laid back and gentle hearted, you ain't even gotta have no Barry White voice. None of that. You can be just cool and collected. And I'm not saying that I like any sweet nothings. You still gotta be a man. But I think the most manliest thing is knowing how to treat a woman. All the women in your life. Any woman. From your job, your kids, your mama, your sister, your wife. Every woman. Your daughter. Like, you just gotta... Some men just get it. They know how to talk to them. They know how to tell them what they want. Tell them what they want to hear. They don't clash with them. And I mean, those are all of our favorite people. And generally, if you're that man, everybody likes you. Like, loves you. Your family, your cousins, your aunts, everybody love you because they know you are really, genuinely a good man. You really are. That's, to me, what makes a good man. Not the best paying job. Yeah, I said it. Not the best looking. Yeah, I said that too. Not the best car. Or the best talker. Because you could save all that talking and stuff for your mama. I want to see how kind you are. And how gentle you are with a woman. And so... And I'm not saying somebody that don't have a backbone, somebody that's not going to hold you accountable. You want somebody that's going to hold you accountable and treat you like a queen that you are. And so, sis, all I'm saying is, try it one more time. I want them to try it one more time, y'all. But we going to move on a little bit. But I end up getting... Chick-fil-A got these chocolate chip oatmeal cookies, y'all. Listen, y'all, that cough is about to be gone. I'm so excited. I have my surgery the end of September, right for my birthday. And I've been wanting them to do it sooner, but I ain't really been available. That's the crazy part. And I mean, they said I'm gonna have to stay in the hospital just one night. But if you don't know, they said I have a hernia in my esophagus. I did a lot of throwing up through my pregnancy. I don't know what I did. But lately, everything's been good. So I almost thought, I almost thought I didn't gonna need the surgery. But every now and then when I go to swallow something like beef, something I really don't eat, y'all. I'm just doing this for you. Beef or something really thick, or something red, saucy, yeah. That heartburn and them cough, it come back like a vengeance. But y'all, this cookie's a bomb. If you know, then you know. If you don't know, then maybe you need to go check out Chick-fil-A. That's all I'm saying. Y'all know what's so hard doing these videos at home when your kids are home. Nobody listens. And they also got all the questions in the world for you through your little 20-minute video. You done been with them all day long. All day. Man, this cookie is good. Sometimes I get them. They haven't been cooked long enough. But this one, cooked a little bit more. That's the way I like it. So, I was talking to one of my cousins really earlier, and I think that a lot of things, reason why a lot of relationships aren't working is because people are just not willing to compromise. And it just don't look the way that it did 30 years ago. And when I say compromise, nowadays it's looking arrogant. Not wanting to change up, just wanting to stay that same person. Very narcissistic. That's the way it looks now. Trying to control everything. Want things your way. Oh, and for thyself. Do y'all know it's people that be in whole marriages and you got one of the spouses, literally everything they do is for themselves. They never do nothing for them. I just can't believe it. Selfish people irritate me, period. They won't be the closest people to me. And if you are, it's because I've literally accepted you as a selfish person. That's it. I can't do selfish people. If you can't come out of yourself without somebody asking you to come out of yourself, you're selfish. And you need to get your life together. Because it's not about you. It's not always about you. Now, if you're in a situation where you're finally starting to choose you and putting your foot down, and then people want to say, oh, you're being selfish. Okay, sis, you're not being selfish. You are showing self-love, okay? You are choosing you, okay? Because you're supposed to love you more than anything. Just make sure you're good. I mean, there are people that go out to eat and come home. You got a wife and kids, everything. You don't bring nothing home. You don't ask them what they want. Nothing. That's what I'm talking about. You making your money, you saving it, you spending on everything for yourself. You ain't bringing nothing to that. That's the selfishness I'm talking about. We all got something we need to work on. But there's levels to everything. And fellas, you can't get mad when she fed up. And she might go, the next man might not even have what you have. But he could be as meek and humble and loving and accepting and hands-on. It just, he throws it out the ballpark. I mean, he just shuts it down. And she'll forget you in 2.5 seconds. There are things about you that she might miss, but overall, she feels good because her love language is being spoken in her relationship. Some women don't hear everything of them. I haven't met one that don't want to be thought of by her man. But they say it's women out here just want to say they got a man. All you gotta do is come home every night. I don't think I know any of them. All women I know work hard to keep their family as one. Dedicated. Now I shouldn't say that I know, but that's close to me. The ones that I pay attention to. And they honor their relationship. And if something was to go south, they standing on it. And they speaking up. And sometimes all you need to do is just speak up, says, hold on. This ain't working. And he didn't hear you then? Try it again. 3 strikes, you're out though. Number 3, you say it again, and they just like, she on, she on what? You better listen to your woman, because I know I can't do R. Kelly, but they said that song, When a Woman's Fed Up, it ain't nothing you can do about it. That's what they said. Girl, y'all listen, I'm sleepy. I promise this video, I ain't gonna be able to tell y'all what I talked about. I have to go back and watch it myself. But I love y'all. And thank you for supporting me. And it's hard to get content made to put on this YouTube. And it's irritating some days because I might have like all this stuff I want to talk about, this thing I want to do, and it might be 10 o'clock at night before I get a chance. And by then I'm just tired, can't get my thoughts together. The kids won't go to sleep. It just be a mess. But I love y'all. And listen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Listen, y'all. That is Savannah. And I don't know why he's bringing her in here in the middle of my video crying. But come on, Vanna. I guess I'll do my thumbnail with Vanna. You tired? Hi, Nanny. Say hi. She wanna eat. Savannah. Uh-oh. Say hi. Look at camera. Look. Look at the camera. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, y'all. Avoid all of this. Overlook all of that.
This is what she do.
She think I juice on everything. You say hi. Hi. Y'all, I did her hair and ponytail. She took them all out. Say bye-bye. You saying hi? Say it again, Nanny. Hi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love you, Nanny. Okay, look. Let me get you some potatoes. Nanny. You want some more? You funny. You like it? Yeah. I don't know what song she girl. Listen, y'all. She hums and sings to the beat of her own way. You hear me? Yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at the camera, Nanny. Look. Oh, you want some more potatoes? Okay. Say thank you. Say thank you. You say thank you? Say thank you? Oh, you don't need that. You want some more? Just do you. Somebody's got to be a star. Just do you. I told you y'all, she be ready. You singing? You singing? Say thank you. Say thank you. What are you doing? You playing. Say oopsie daisy. What else, Nanny? You want potato? All right, y'all. Savannah has spoken, y'all. I see she up and trying to eat. She already had dinner before bed.